Hi vlog.
Welcome to Vlogs by Chelsea. So today is a bit of an adventure as we are completely refilling this room. It's completely empty. Great echo for singing at the moment, but it feels very empty. The hardwood floors were just redone. So they had been down for about 10 years and they had just gone a slightly, what was it, yellow colour? So they were a lot more red before, but now this is a lot more true to what they originally were. So the space, so this here is going to be the and was the living, surrounded by the open shelves. So I'm going to decorate all of these, put everything there. Then we're going to have a lounge here, and then another lounge on this, towards this back wall here. We're going to have all the artwork back on the walls, artwork above the piano, and then another lounge as well. So there's lots of seating, which is nice. And then that area is all defined by an area rug, which is a really nice way to define open plan. And then over here is, so on the opposite side of the room, all the furniture's outside, so let's take it out. So that will be coming back in, but then this is the dining space here. So there's a buffet, and then we're going to have artworks above it as well, the dining table and the dining chairs. So we've made a little bit of progress. I've got the rug down in the living space. I'm off to work now, so I'll update you when I get back. It's a 1:15, I'm all alone and I need you now. Nothing I can do to keep from crying when you come. So I thought actually that I would show you the new floor. Very interesting, but it is actually, it's really nice, and what a difference it can do. So before, the floor's been down for about 10, 12 years, and it had gone a bit yellow and orangey and just not so nice, but now we've got it back to what it really should have been. But it's just the sun, it's what happens, it goes a really sort of icky, yellowy, not a good yellow, not a good orange, not a good red. Now it's back nice, and they've used a water-based coating on it, and this is a satin finish as well, not gloss, which is just a little bit nicer. It's water-based, it actually means that it's not as affected by the sun, so it should last a little bit longer. So there's some tips if you're putting in a hardwood timber floor. Furniture, it's starting to look like a home again, just getting the lounges in there. The rug was already down, but the lounges are all nice to have those, so it just gives a bit of framing and shape to the room as well. And we have our dining setting back in, starting to get, you know, light fixtures back in. It's starting to feel a bit more warm as we're getting into the evening, so hopefully by tomorrow it'll look even better. We're going to continue decorating the house. We've moved all the furniture in now, which is nice. The echo is gone from the room, which as much as it was fun to sing in it, it just felt so cold and so empty, not at all like a home. So yeah, it's definitely coming together. Just got to work on the styling. So we've got the TV back. I might change the artwork just to freshen it up for spring, and then fix the cushions, and then big job is the shelf styling. I'm going to share a few shelf styling tricks along the way. Shelf styling trick number 1, have a go and just put things together and see how it appeals to your eye. Number 2, well, this should be number 1 really, is put some music on, self-motivated, get the creative juices flowing. Styling items, so just mementos, things I've collected on walks, books, crystals, pictures, other random accessories, more pictures. It's a lovely day to dance. Hello vlog. So Just finishing styling inside in the living room today. And that is the living room all put back together, all because of the hardwood floors, but it's been nice to really restyle everything, move some artworks around, but there's going to be plenty more to do around the house, so subscribe and watch along. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.